right, guys, this is Positive Trading with you. Good to see everybody. I hope you will like this content and share it. If you're watching it for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Let's talk about Algorand. I see some people wondering when a few days ago the drop happened. Some of the good projects are like, oh, Algorand is dead or H-bar is dead and blah blah blah. Guys, if this is your first bull market and first bear market which you've completed, this is typical. This is normal. Exactly what we heard on 2021 as well. And a lot of people were giving up and purely making decisions through their emotions. So what I want to do is give you a little bit of encouragement. You will see a few percent drops. Can be 10, 15, 12% drops. This happens because there will be ups, there will be downs, and there will be ups again. But one thing I want to show you, look at this one. If you really in doubt, go and zoom out. Look, let's go to weekly time frame. What do you think is happening right now? It's clear as day what's happening on the daily. Look at it. Volume is increasing day by day or week by week. We have huge head and shoulders. This is the first shoulder. This is the head, and this is another head and shoulder, right? So this is the right shoulder, and we have a EMA 20 and EMA 50. This yellow line and green line cross. This is an amazing golden type cross. Besides that, we already had a retest. Guys, we had reached 25 cents previously, right? Then immediately it had a resistance. People took profits because there are always going to be profit taking. So we came down all the way to 15 cents. Our capital diminished. Yes, but if you are not an emotional trader, you didn't sell it on a loss, and now you're on a hefty profit. And look at it now. New candle started because as soon as we had this big weekly candle, now the second one with the retest, because even that one came down all the way to 19.5 cents, and now we are going back up, and we even touched 27.5 cents. So if you are patient enough, you will probably reach the next resistance. It's somewhere here, which is about 43.90 and 44 cents, and there will be a comeback down as in a similar fashion which happened here. Probably as soon as it touched the next resistance, like 45 cents, you will have another drop to all the way to 35 cents, maybe not, maybe just consolidation and go to this next EMA, which is around 56 to 60 cents. But this is how the bull market works. It's exactly the opposite of bear market. Look at the bear market, how is happening. Every time when there's a up, followed by profit taking. Every time there's a little bit of bounce, followed by profit taking. So people were just exiting the market one by one. And now you will see exactly the opposite of it. People will be entering the market one by one. Every time when they see a drop, they will think it's a good opportunity and they will start getting in. And then look at this RSI. We're getting back up. Right now it's 70 on the weekly, because on the higher time frame, higher RSI is a good momentum indicator. Because a lot of people think as soon as it touched the 70, 75 zone, we should sell. It's actually the opposite, because the momentum is high. If you look at the peak of the bull market, momentum kept going until we had this huge bearish engulfing. So unless we see a bearish engulfing on a huge weekly, I wouldn't be concerned too much. Let's take a look at other coins like Hedera, for example. Look at it. On the weekly, Hedera is looking really bullish, and this is exactly what's going to happen to Algorand. You remember the purple line on Algorand? It was still way above the price. Hedera is already touching. Expect similar thing to happen with Algorand. And I don't want you guys to be impatient, because this is the exact moment now you need to be patient. Look at Polkadot, for example. Polkadot on the weekly, it's looking amazing, and it's almost to the T copying Algorand's chart. We have Sandbox. Let's take a look on Sandbox, and it's gonna reach our target here. It's going there. My green line, I don't know if you can see it here. The green line is at around 90 cents. Yeah, around 93 cents. And we are going there eventually. It's a matter of time. Most of the charts are looking exactly the same, so you shouldn't be discouraged and freak out just because you think some project is not doing well, because Bitcoin and Ethereum will always pump first. After that, probably Solana. Solana, it's already doing, look at it. It's almost 50% of its previous all-time high. So now we will have a shift. We will have a shift towards other altcoins. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Make sure you guys are all patient. And if you can dollar cost average even now, it's still a good opportunity. As soon as you see a drop, make sure you're buying into it. Of course, none of this is financial advice, but this is exactly what I will be doing, and I am continuously doing it. See you guys on the next one. Subscribe.